This is nothing clickbaity. It's clickbaity, if that's a word. I'm dead serious. I am not buying any more Google Pixel phones. Coming back to the whole Jony Ive thing, what does this prove? This whole thing came to mind because I'm sitting here watching this video and I'm thinking to myself, really, Apple has not innovated much recently. They haven't made that much major design changes. All their products pretty much look the same. As a matter of fact, I use an Apple iPad and I can't even tell which version it is unless I go into the settings and look at it, because I'm not a heavy Apple user, and to be honest, they kind of all look the same. So that in itself will tell you, if you're not a big Apple user, if you are, then you probably know the difference because you've been following every step. But if you're now picking up an Apple product, you don't even know if it's an old model or a new model, because let's face it, a lot of them look the same. Maybe not so much the phones, but at least the iPads do. It's really hard to tell them apart. At least that's my experience. But guess what? Apple's not the only company that's not really innovating right now. I'm into drones, I'm big into drones, thus droneXfactor, and even DJI, the leading drone manufacturer, is not even, I wouldn't say making any major innovations, but they're not even releasing new drones. They have drones that are 2 years old that they haven't even, updated yet. And that's probably because they've hit a wall in technology, or they probably just want to make back some of the money that they spent on developing some of these drones that they have right now. I don't know. I don't work at DJI. Coming back to the whole phones thing and how this relates to technology, is that I feel like I would have been alright with this. Apart from the yellow screen, which really irks me, I don't think that justifies $600, $800, how much ever more this costs for me. And I think that everything that I can do with this, I can still do with this. This battery lasts a little longer, but not that much longer. The photographs and the blurry background and all that's really cool, but hey, when you have a DSLR camera, do I really need to spend $1,000 to get this when I could just use the camera I have and keep the phone that I have? You see what I'm saying? So my point is, and the reason why I'm making this video, is because I kind of feel like I wasted money, and I just want to share this with you guys so you guys can really sit down and think things through before you upgrade your phone. If you're coming from an iPhone 5 or something and you want to upgrade to the newest iPhones, I get it. But the major difference between a Pixel 1 and a Pixel 3 is not that much. And upgrading a phone every year right now, I feel honestly like it's a complete waste of money. And this could change if a phone manufacturer comes up with something completely mind-blowing. I think that what we need to do as consumers, because we have the power, it's like homeowners. If we don't buy homes, do you think the home prices are going to go up? No, they're going to go down. But the reason they never go rock bottom is because somebody says, hey, at some point when the price starts dropping, that's a good deal, I'm going to buy a home. Same thing with the phones. If we never buy the phones, and I'm guilty, hey, these supposedly new tech that's coming out all the time, and we just hold off for a couple of years, let 3-4 models pass, then these companies are not really selling. Then they're going to say, hey, recycling this stuff and giving it off to consumers is not working anymore. Consumers are getting really smart. They're really thinking in depth into what they want, and they're not just running off and buying because of brand anymore. It's not really Apple alone that's not innovating. It's all of these companies are pretty much doing the same. The camera market right now, the DSLRs and the mirrorless cameras, even those companies are doing it. Tweak here, tweak there, and then if they're selling, well, hey, why innovate? Let's make money. And I get it. Let's not waste money. If this can work, why do I really need to go out and get this? Even if I have money, why not put it elsewhere? Why not put it to better use? Why not put it to different use? So I guess with me using this since Black Friday to now, it's been resting in the back of my mind, and the fact that I just watched this video from Zone of Tech is the name of the guy, about Jony Ive leaving Apple, really made me think, and kind of just brought the pieces of the puzzle together, and felt like I needed to share it with you guys. Alright, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a thumbs down, whichever one works. I really want to hear what you guys think. Do you upgrade all the time? You don't upgrade? Do you wait for the news? Do you run out and get the latest tech? It's just because you're a fan of the products or of the brands, of certain brands. It doesn't matter what they release, you'll get it. Like, what's your rationale when it comes to buying smartphones and just tech in general? Let me know in the comment section below, because this is a really interesting topic, and as consumers, we really have the power. With that being said, I'm getting up and go to bed. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.